Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. See this bag right here? I want to show you what's going in it, and it's really special. Stay tuned. Y'all, welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by, and welcome to all of my new friends and to all of my new subscribers. Welcome back. To all of my longtime friends and longtime subscribers, thank you all so much for taking a moment out of your day to be here with me. In a previous video, I made this large tote using a piece of poster board, and I'll have that video linked in the description box below. I made that tote because I have something large that I want to put in it. And I'm going to flip to my overhead camera so that I can show you exactly what it is. A lot of you are aware that I have been playing around with lasers from xTool. They've gifted me two lasers, the xTool F1 and the xTool M1. Well, I use the xTool M1, which is that really big one. Well, I used the M1 to make this beautiful custom cutting board. And how did I do it? I used the M1 to engrave my sister's potato salad recipe on this cutting board. It looks like it's written on here with pen, because this is truly her handwriting, but it's not written on here, it is engraved on here. And that's one of the amazing things that I love about these lasers, that I love about the M1. I love how you can take an image and you can make that image reality. So I just asked my sister to write out her recipe so that I would have her actual handwriting, and I engraved it on this cutting board. Now this is going to be a keepsake for the person getting it. They'll always have this one-of-a-kind chopping board, and it really is a functional chopping board. I'm going to show you really quickly the xTool M1 working its magic on this. I'm not going to show you the whole thing. I'm going to show you a little bit of a video I made overhead of the xTool actually engraving this so that you can get a look at the process. Now, isn't this super special? Isn't it just amazing? Personalized gifts are just so appreciated. And as I was doing this, I kept imagining all of the awesome things I can do with that M1 as well as the xTool F1, because they are engravers from whatever you scan in or input. They will turn that into reality. My mother has passed away, but I still have so many things with her handwriting on it, and I kept thinking, wouldn't it be sweet to take her handwriting and import it into the xTool creative space and then turn that into something special for my siblings? I think they would absolutely love it. I haven't done that yet, but I think that's one of the things that I'm going to do, because the sky is the limit. Y'all, xTool gifted me two machines, and I personally met the commitment that I made to them of doing reviews and videos. And everything that I've shared with you about my experience has been truthful. I never thought I would be a laser person. I never ever thought it, because I'm not a technical person. But out of the box, these are so easy to use. So if I can do this, anyone can do this. The sky is the limit with these machines. So I did want to share this with you guys really quickly, because I am so pleased with how this turned out. And again, I want to thank xTool for gifting me the M1 as well as the F1, because y'all, I'm a laser girl now. So as always, my friends, y'all please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.